Hey everybody.
The pepper plant that I showed you all that we put in a Kleenex box. So I've already dug my hole, and we just literally removed some weeds, and I tore off the bottom just to give it an area for the roots to come through. I dug a hole, and now we're gonna cover it up directly into the ground with this, because it is compostable. It's cardboard. It adds good nitrogen to your soil. So it's ideal to utilize things that you have at home to make sure you're still adding the proper things back to your dirt. So I'm just going to cover it here back with the dirt that I dug up out of the hole. I'm going to put it all around the box so that the box breaks down. It has everything that it needs to compost and break down. I'm going to give it a little push down. And now this plant literally had set in the box since I did that video for you all, showing you how to use compostable material, and I pinched the top off so you see what it looks like here, how these leaves have branched out. When you take the top off, it gives you more peppers. So that's what I'm doing today. I put these down, and I'm gonna remove some more weeds from this bed. This is my zinnia bed, so I definitely will have peppers and tomatoes over here, as well as some cucumbers, because the zinnias bring in the pollinators, and you need the pollinators to pollinate the flowers of the tomatoes, the peppers, and the cucumbers. You need pollinators to pollinate your entire garden, but I know that planting zinnias and marigolds in this bed with some tomatoes, cucumbers, and peppers, it would allow all of those to flourish and bring pollinators to the garden that's needed. That's all I wanted to show you today. I am going to put some okra seeds down, so I may show you that, because the ground is still wet. So that'll save time, because it rained earlier. We're expecting, I think, some more rain, not sure. But with the ground wet, it makes it easy to pull up your weeds with the shovel if you have weeds that have grown over, because I didn't mulch these. Again, this was our first garden here, so there's some things that we had to get accustomed to and see what grows where. And I allowed them to sit without mulching them so that I can see what grows up in it, so I'll know what type of other plants and herbs I may be dealing with. So I'll be back and show you how to put down some okra seeds. Utilize what you have to make it easy for you. When you can put down seeds after it rained, the soil is already moist. And if you have good rich soil like what you just seen here, mixed with some clay soil, which provides lots of minerals, that makes for a good place for things to grow. So thank you all for watching.